the area of a rectangle. Okay, the area is going to be length times the width, or, right, we can say that the length is going to be the area divided by the width. Okay, so we know the area is going to be 120.4 meters squared, and the width is going to be 5.6. So we want to divide this. Okay, so dividing these numbers without the decimal place, I get this, right? For here, I can put two 56s, right? That'll be 102. Okay. Oh, actually, no, that'll be 112, right? And we have this, and then it can give us 8. We can drop the 4 down, and we can add 156 to this. Subtracting these two, I end up getting just 28. Okay, now we can put a 0 here and a decimal place there, and bring it down for 280. Okay, this time, what I can do is I can add 5 of this. Okay, so if I add 5 of this, I can get 250, or that'll be 280 exactly, right? So this is what we have. Right? And now if I were to estimate these two, it's going to be 120 divided by 6. That's what my estimate is, right? But that is exactly 20. Okay, so the estimated value of this division is going to be 20. So then 20.1 would be our correct quotient. Okay, so the length will be 21.5. Yeah, it'll be 21.5 meters.